In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Gmail notification for Gmail notification settings. If you want to see new emails the moment they arrive, setting up desktop notifications in Gmail is quick and reliable. Let's walk through it together so you know exactly where everything lives and what each option means. First, open your Gmail inbox in your web browser and sign in so you can see your messages. Once you're in the inbox view, look to the top right corner for the small cogwheel icon. That's the Settings shortcut. Click it to open the Quick Settings panel. In that panel, choose See All Settings to open the full settings page. This brings you to several tabs along the top. Make sure you're on the General tab. Most of the everyday controls you'll use live here. Now scroll down the General page until you find the section labeled Desktop Notifications. This is where you choose how or if Gmail should alert you on your computer when new messages arrive. You'll see options to turn notifications off, to get notified for every new email, or to only be notified for important mail. If you get a lot of email and want fewer interruptions, choose Important Mail Notifications. Gmail uses importance markers to decide what's likely to matter to you based on your activity, so you'll only get alerts for those priority messages. If you don't want to miss anything, select New Mail Notifications On. Pick the option that best fits your workflow. When you enable notifications for the first time, your browser may prompt you to allow notifications from Gmail. Be sure to click Allow, or the alerts won't come through. Also remember that Gmail needs to be open in a browser tab for desktop notifications to appear. Once you've made your choice, keep scrolling all the way to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This part is easy to miss, and if you skip it, none of your selections will take effect. A few quick tips to make sure everything works smoothly. If you don't see alerts after enabling them, check your browser's site permissions and confirm notifications are allowed for mail.google.com. On your computer, verify that system notifications are turned on for your browser and that Do Not Disturb or focus modes are off. If you opted for important mail notifications, you can fine-tune what Gmail marks as important by using the important marker on messages you care about. That's it. Your Gmail desktop notifications are now set up, and you'll start seeing alerts based on the option you chose.